Hello everybody, welcome to another barox session. We're really glad to have the Bosch Starlight with us, and thanks a lot to the Bosch guys for giving us this camera for setting tests up. The camera so far is not on the supporting the BT standard. No problem, for our barox switches we can handle this. And if the new generation is up with the BT standard, it's just a mouse click and everything works again. Just first I want to introduce our RAI LGSPT R2326. You see the name mentioned in the video. This bird can power up to 10 cameras with one power supply. When you slide in the second one and you accumulate them, you're gonna make 20 of these cameras. Or if it's in redundancy mode, of course, then you're back to 10. Furthermore, we have the RAI LPT802 GBT-ME. This one is a DIN rail switch, supports up to 480 watt. That means we can also power the Starlight with this switch. And if you want to go further and want to replace the standard injector, because that one is limited in the temperature range, with one of the barox injectors that is from -40 up to 70 degrees Celsius, then you would go for the product code PCINJ95BT. But let's look into that switch now and into the setting to get the camera working. Now what you can see on our graphical interface, you can see on the right top the camera itself. You can see the camera is ready to roll, and we go now into the settings and configure the switch in order to make it happen. We'll go into the PoE part and into configuration. On port 3 we are setting the parameters for 4 pair 90 watt. That's very important because it's a non-standard BT camera, so you have to adjust this. At the same time, we adjust the LLDP. Link layer protocol is not activated from the camera, and you're all set now. You're ready to roll. Now, if we wanted to see how the camera is behaving and how much power it is using, you could go into our monitoring option. You would see on port 3, it is set to class 8. It's up to 90 watt. And now when we chew the consumption up by, for example, adding some light and so on, we will definitely see that this light brings more consumption. That means if we go all the way up and activate auto refresh, you can see that 10 watt more are consummated. This will add up when you bring in the sweepers, when you PT set, when you have also additional features activated. But you can go all the way up to 90 watts. Well, at this point I wanted to say thank you. If you like what we're doing and script on our YouTube account and get more regular updates from us, thanks a lot.